Hello 3D plotters, my name is Rosa Maras and I'm the founder of 3dplotter.xyz. Today I'm going to give you a quick walkthrough for the version 3. As you see, the studio is totally different. We have on the left the new toolbar, in the middle we have a bigger board, and on the right side we have the layers and settings. Here you can use genplot to generate your plot. You can use import, add an SVG vector, trace an image, use the elements, a G-code. We have the object. Here you can add from all these generators an object. Then we have the modifiers. You can create your object, you can create your shape and then modify it. And we have the settings that we're going to export from. And also when we press again, we have the layers. So let's start with something simple and let's create a terrain. So as you see, it's already in the board. We can move it in 3D space with orbit. And also we can use shuffle to see the system what object is going to design. Let's choose that. Let's make it a bit smaller so it fits the board. Let's change the rotation, okay. And now we can use pen palette, which is a modifier that it makes the object into different layers with different colors. So here we choose the sequence, and as you see, we already have the 3 colors. We can choose to have more colors, but we're going to go with 3. And now by pressing split to layers, we have 3 layers, 1 color each. So as you can see, we can hide them. So what this is going to do is going to generate 3 files, 1 per color. Let's go to export. And as you see, we do export by layer. So we have 3 colors, 3 layers. Press download zip. And now we can add it to our SD card and paint each layer per color. It was Rose. Thank you so much.